Hello students, let's try to understand the substitution reaction of aniline. So what we are going to find here that aniline is having what group? If you see the structure of aniline, this is the structure of aniline. Here is NH2 group is there. This is what is aniline. Ab aniline become the highly electron activating group. So what the point they are saying? Aniline electron rich species. So it gives electrophilic substitution reaction readily. Due to lone pair of NH2 in aniline, it gives tri-substituted product in the ring. To get mono-substituted product, the activity of NH2 group must be decreased by acylation. Right. Let me see if he is joining the person. So here some more resonating structure you see. If it will go like that, so what the structure you are going to find? Here it will be NH2 group. These are there. If you, as a whole, if you see the structure, resonance hybrid structure, what you are going to find? See, the double bond is in the ring, it is continuously rotating. And here what it will be there, it is also the partial double bond character is there. NH2, here is partial positive, negative, negative, negative. So if you are attacking by electrophile, this is electrophile. So what you are going to do here? So students, you see, this is attacking this position, this is attacking this position, this is also attacking this position. So they are going to give what? They give all the three position. So it is going to give tri-substituted product. Tri-substituted product. So aniline always give tri-substituted product until you decrease the activity of it. But otherwise it will be the tri-substituted only. Hello. Now, what are the example of ASR reaction? Examples of ESR reaction. First one is there, bromination. Next one is there, nitration. Then it is there, sulfonation. So these three reactions are there, as it does not give the Friedel-Crafts reaction. So first what we are going to study the bromination. So now is it audible to you?
Audible.
but you are not saying anything.
Sir, just now only it came audible.
So this is the morning only what we studied, that one is there. Electrophilic substitution reaction. So we have done this one, I told you. Aniline is electron rich species. So it gives the electrophilic substitution reaction readily. What the point they are saying, due to lone pair of NH2 in aniline, it gives tri-substituted product in the ring. To get mono-substituted product, the activity of NH2 group must be decreased by acylation. So we got to know that is, since it is increasing the electron density like that, so what you are going to get, that is, it is going to get the tri-substituted product. Can you see this one? So this is giving the tri-substituted product. I think you are not interested now. Hello?
Sir, audible.
What are doing? It does not look. It seems you are not interested now.
Sir, your voice is breaking actually. I cannot hear you clearly, sir.
Oh, acha. Chaliye. When aniline is treated with when aniline is treated with Br2, no, aniline is treated with bromine water. Case 1 we are doing case 1. When bromine is treated with bromine water, then it gives then it gives 246. It is the tribromoaniline. It is going to give 26246 tribromoaniline. So initially it will give the always the tribromoaniline. Now you see, here you see, this is the NH2 is there, and you treat with the 3Br2. So what will happen? Here is it is the bromine water. So what is going to happen? It is always going to give initially, that is tribromoaniline. NH2 is there. Here it is going to be Br. This is again going to be Br. Here is also going to be Br. Plus 3HBr is there. If you write the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 246 tribromoaniline. So why it is giving tri-substituted product? If you see, because of this position in the alanine are highly negative. So in this position they are going to give tri-substituted product. Now case 2, to get mono-substituted, substituted, what we have to do? We substituted deactivate the NH2 group by what? By acylation with acetic anhydride. Now if you first of all you do the acylation, you get to know this one, aniline is there. Hey, so here is, you can see NH and NH2 is there, plus acetic anhydride I am writing. CH3, C double bond O, here is O, C double bond O, this is CH3. So dear son, here you see, this one is going to be out. This one. So it is going to be CH3, C double OH. And what the product, what the remaining things you will get, that is, now NH2 group is changes to different one. Here is the N, H is there, C double bond O CH3. Now this lone pair electron, in spite of going in the ring, it is going this direction. So the ring get deactivated. Now you treat this with Br2 in acetic acid. So what you are going to get? You will going to get mono substituted product now. Here you see, this is there. We can write here NH C double bond O CH3, right? And here downside it will be Br. Now you can hydrolyze with this one HOH. So acetic acid will be out like that. CH3 C double OH. What is the remaining product? You can see NH2. Here is going to be Br. It is the 4-bromoaniline. Is it not audible to you? Hello?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Is it audible or not?
Clearly audible, sir. Sir,
Oh,
mic was mute actually, sir.
okay, no problem. So it will always give the substituted product. Okay. Next one. We are doing for the nitration. Nitration of aniline. Nitration of aniline. On treatment with, what they are saying, on treatment with concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4, it gives mixture of, what it is going to give. It gives mixture of three product. How it is going to give the mixture of three product? Here it is there. See this one. This is the NH2. We are using the nitrating reagent. So nitrating reagent, that is concentrated HNO3 plus it is going to be concentrated H2SO4. What temperature you are going to, temperature that is not very much required, 288 Kelvin. So it is going to give three product. It is going to give. What are these three products are there, if I will ask? The first one is para nitrophenol. This is going to be maximum percentage is there, NH2. Here is what is there, NO2. This is the 51%, and this is called para nitroaniline. Para nitroaniline. Another is the meta isomer. This is going to be NH2. This is NO2, and this percentage is 47%. That is meta nitroaniline. Meta nitroaniline. And the last one is orthonitroaniline. What is there? This is the NH2. Here is, this is going to be NO2. So it is 2% only. Orthonitroaniline. These are there. Now question we are having question.
Sir, I am
Although,
writing.
no problem. Although aniline is ortho and para directive. Aniline is ortho and para directive. But how it is, but the pro, but in nitration, but in nitration, it gives meta isomer. It gives 47% meta isomer. Meta isomers. How? This is one question is there. They ask many time in the exams. It should give ortho and para isomer, but it is giving meta. Reason they are asking how why it is giving the meta isomers. What could be the reason? Can you give any idea about that? The answer aniline react with HNO3 to form anilinium ion, which is meta directing, meta directing. So the major product is, so it gives meta isomer also. So meta directing. So the product is meta directive also. Why the product is meta directive? Because the reason is it is giving the anilinium ion. HNO3, if you see HNO3, what it is going to give? It will going to give H plus NO3 minus. So aniline, whatever the aniline is there, this is NH2. So it will react with the H plus ion. So they are saying that is it is forming the considerable amount of NH3 plus. And this is the anilinium ion. Anilinium ion. This anilinium ion is going to be meta directive. Meta directive. Since it is meta directive, so it can give the meta nitroaniline also. So this was the case 1 for aniline nitration, case 1. Is it audible to you? Hello?
Sir. Actually, one alarm was playing, sir. That is why sound was coming.
Okay. You are not concentrating. So I will teach one more reaction, then I will leave you today.
Sir, I am concentrating, sir. In the phone is on the side, no, sir. I had set an alarm on 6:30. So, sir, that was playing, sir.
No, you are not not speaking anything. No, that is why.
Sir, the reason once again, can you show me, sir? Actually, sir, these things I do not have a very strong idea, sir. That is why. Once I will study, I can give you the answer tomorrow.
No problem. We are thoroughly we are going once. Then we are having the time now. We will come back. We will see the many time. These things there is time to revise everything. That is why I'm finishing as
Sir, that is perfectly fine from your end, sir. But the problem is, all the topics I cannot like comprehend that fast, no, sir. That creates the problem. Once I can do, I am
yeah.
answering only, no?
Correct.
Plus and 3 minus. Yeah, done.
Done.
Yes.
So see, if any positive charge is there, na, it will withdraw the electron. If it is withdrawing the electron, means ortho and para position withdraw. So it will give the meta isomer. So we can write that is the percentage of the meta isomer is, you can see 47%. They ask in the exam. Okay. but it is
Yes.
giving all the mixer product. What to do to get mono substituted product? Case 2. To get mono substituted product, what we have to do to get mono substituted product? Firstly, do the acylation, acylation, and decrease the activity of what group? Activity of NH2 group. So once you decrease the activity of NH2 group, it will give the product. So here you see, this is the NH2, and NH2 we are writing in little bit differently. How we can write this is N, H, and H. We are doing the acylation with acetic anhydride. This is the acetic anhydride. Okay, acetic anhydride. So if you write the formula CH3 C double bond O, here is O, C double bond O, CH3. What is going to happen here? This will be losing the acetic acid. So what it is going to left out? This will give the NH. Here is C double bond O, CH3. Now this is the electron deactivating group. Now if you are using the concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4, so it will give mono substituted product. So what the product you can get here? This will be remain as it is NHCOCH3, but downside it is the nitro group. Now they are saying that is you hydrolyze it, you do HOH. So if you are doing HOH, what will be there? This will be the CH3 C double OH. Acetic acid is out. So what is left out? Para-nitroaniline. So here you will going to get the what? That is mono substituted product. This is the mono substituted NO2. So what is there? 4-nitroaniline. This is 4-nitroaniline. Can't you understand this?
Yes, sir. So show me what you have written first, sir. Then I'm writing the reaction also.
This one. This is what? To get mono substituted, one NO2 group, mono substituted product. Firstly, do the acylation and decrease the activity of NH2 group. Otherwise, what will give? It will give tri-substituted product. So that is what this CO na carbonyl group is electron withdrawing group. So it is taking the electron from the NH2. Now this electron is, in spite of going in the ring, it is going there. So it will give the para substituted product. So this is the what, very simple. So how many hours bio class madam took today?
Sir, about 1.5 hours, sir. Then her whiteboard was not working, sir. So that is why, because she is not using the stylus, no, sir. So taking the class in the Google Meet is very difficult.
Yes. But very difficult to attend 1.5 hours, 2 hours, na?
Sir, difficult. It is definitely difficult.
But here those students who are studying with you, na, they are staying in the hostel only in the Kota. You
Yes.
must be knowing. Many students are
So
staying
they
in.
are also attending same only, not so much time. They are
So
also
they are
attending.
focusing very much. Today that girls called me, Deepanjana.
Ah,
He was saying that my target is to get the more than 700 marks in the NEET.
acha, acha. How she did in
He
11th, sir?
he is there in the quota. She is not in our school.
No, sir, it's okay. But like, how was the performance
She,
in
she
that?
is she is 12th now, na, not 11th.
Hmm. Understood, sir. Understood.
She is from your batch only.
She told me she would be going to Kota, Delhi somewhere.
So other girls also they are there only. Many girls are there, many boys are also there. So they will ask from you that how you are performing also.
Hmm.
Hmm. Now we are going for the sulfonation. This is the sulfonation. Sulfonation. Okay. When aniline is treated with what they are saying treated with concentrated H2SO4, then it form anilinium hydrogen sulfate. Anilinium hydrogen sulfate. Hydrogen sulfate. In bracket, this is the salt by acid base reaction, which on heating, which on heating, what it is going to give, which on heating gives para amino benzene sulfonic acid, which exists in the form of deuterion, which exists in the form of exist in the form of deuterion, which exists in the form of deuterion. Now let us see. They are saying firstly it will undergo the acid base reaction that you have to understand. So we are having this one. Suppose this is the NH2 group is there. This is the NH2. Here is lone pair electron is there, and you are treating with the HSO4. So it is taking this hydrogen. So firstly it will give the anilinium hydrogen sulfate NH3. This one is there. Then HSO4 minus. Here is plus. This is what called anilinium hydrogen sulfate. Anilinium hydrogen sulfate. This is what anilinium hydrogen sulfate. Now they are saying on heating. Which on heating? You need to heat this one because this is the salt. No, salt is required to heat. So if you are heating, what temperature they are asking? You heat that is 453 to 473 Kelvin. This temperature. So what is going to happen? See here, this is the NH2 will be there, and this is SO3H. Now it is always exists in the form of deuterion. Deuterion you must have studied in the bio also. Okay, the no acidic ion and basic ion both present in the same molecule, that is called deuterion. So here is what is happening. NH3, this is the plus, and here is the downside. It is a SO3 minus. What is happening? Amino acids are also present in the deuterion. Getting my point? Deuterion. Are you getting this?
Sir,
Hello.
you can scroll a little upwards, sir. I was writing that one concentrated H2SO4 onwards.
Mm-hmm.
Sir,
They are
after this,
saying,
can you please teach me the next topics tomorrow, sir? Then too much time I'm doing the class, no, sir. Now I will want to do the little self study. Other subjects are also pending, no, that is why.
okay,
Can you teach me the next topic tomorrow, sir? Morning.
this is only one topic left. That is what called diazonium salt is left.
Sir,
So
then it will.
one class means it will be over. One class.
Okay, sir. Then tomorrow morning you kindly finish this one.
Okay. This is Friedel-Crafts reaction. Okay. What it is saying, it does not
Sir,
give
what it is
Friedel-Crafts.
written? P-aminobenzene acid. After that, what is written, sir?
P amino not. This is para-amino. Para-amino
Ah,
benzene sulfonic acid. What is there? This is the ortho meta para. This is a stronger group, no major group. So para-amino benzene sulfonic acid. Okay. It does not give that one you write, and then it does not give Friedel-Crafts FRIE. It does not give FRIE. Friedel-Crafts alkylation, whether it is the alkylation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation or acylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation or acylation reaction. As NH2 group, as NH2 group react with anhydrous AlCl3 react with anhydrous AlCl3 to form salt and stop the reaction This is there. Hello.
sir, audible, audible. It does not give.
They are saying it does not give Friedel-Crafts alkylation or acylation reaction, as NH2 group react with anhydrous AlCl3 to form salt and stop the reaction. But there na, this is the what is there NH2 group lone pair electron, and in the alkylation what we use the AlCl3. We use the AL catalyst is what catalyst? Anhydrous AlCl3 will use. So what is happening here? This catalyst NCH3Cl we use. This is the partially positive. This is going to be attract here, and this will form the salt. And once it is forming the salt, na AlCl3. So what will happen? This is positive negative. So this salt stop the reaction, stop the further reaction, because there is no catalyst for the reaction. Stop the further reaction. So Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation is not given by the what? Aniline. Okay, you can attend tomorrow 11 o'clock, right?
Okay, sir. Keep this like for 1 minute, sir. Just 1 minute.
Mhm. Or else, if you want to study 11 o'clock, you can study also. There is no problem.
Hmm.
If you study today 11 o'clock, then the chapter will finish today itself. If
No,
you
sir.
study
Father
tomorrow,
actually told not to stay awake after 10 a.m., sir. 10 p.m. because I have a problem of migraine headache. So, sir, I will study tomorrow morning only, sir.
okay, okay, no problem, no problem. Take care of health also because it is going to stay for a long time.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So
Mm,
now,
okay. Okay.
now tomorrow we'll study, right? Done.
Okay. 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 Okay.